Like,
Even if it's uncomfortable to park there, you could park a little away. 5
Because you
meters
want to
away.
see what's going on in the car?
Dude, she's just
no,
lazy.
I
She
just
doesn't want to
like.
walk.
I don't get peace of mind unless I see my car.
But where is the car
Dude,
going?
nobody's stealing
It's not
that
about
Kia
the car.
Seltos.
Difficult to
I'll
get
tell
out.
you what. My car is my safe space. Honestly, I spend so much time with that car. It's like an extension of my being now. My thoughts.
Yes.
Laugh now, but that Kia has helped each and every one of you over here.
Hi guys, welcome back to This Is Not a Podcast. We have Shamli Parekh, Aryan Naya, and Nisula Arjuna Varmasige Ranatunga.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow, I sense some sexual tension between the two of you.
I love Nisu. I don't know if it's sexual tension, but I love him.
I love Sharon.
Okay, moving on to matters of importance. Because we are a very important podcast and we talk about relevant things.
The fuck is this
Important
news
things.
channel? What the fuck?
I just feel like I'm informed today.
Oh.
What?
What are the weirdest dreams you guys have had? Like, what are the weirdest
Weirdest?
dreams?
I keep getting this dream every like 2-3 months. It's just me running around my old flat.
Why is it
Naked?
weird?
Because I
Is it
can't.
because you can't run?
It's
Or?
because I can't run. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I swear.
That is so sad.
That is a sad dream.
And it's in the same apartment where I last ran.
Are you going, like, are you seeking therapy for this?
No, I don't need no therapy. I like the dream. I can run. I miss running.
Guys, for context, like he has survived cancer twice, so he can't run because his legs are kind
He's
of
got a metal.
yeah. So he can't run, but that's kind of so you just keep running around the.
Do you feel tired? Like, do
No.
you feel out of breath?
No,
You can
that's
just
the
run.
thing. Yeah, I can just keep running. It's
Okay, this
crazy.
is a very sad note.
Yeah, that was kind of sad. Okay,
Yeah.
moving on from sadness.
Yeah.
Sorry, we couldn't give you more time.
So that's the only dream. You don't have like fucking.
No, I have another weird dream.
Okay.
You know my friend Devika, right?
Yeah.
There's an earthquake,
Oh.
and then her leg just gets
So
amputated.
you want to make her like you?
No.
Wait, you dream
That's
that
the dream. I
you
don't know what
dream-
happens after.
You dream that your friend Devika is in an earthquake and her leg gets amputated.
Yeah, I don't think I've told us, but like I keep
you
getting
watch
this.
Why are all your dreams related to legs?
Dude, I don't know. That's why I said it's weird.
That is crazy.
Okay,
Yeah.
moving on.
So, but you have had recurring same dreams? for
Yeah,
years?
this Devika dream keeps happening.
Hmm?
I feel like that says
Why are
something.
you dreaming
about
about her legs,
yeah,
dude?
Yeah,
I don't know. Yeah, moving on.
I'm just so confused.
Have you had any weird dreams?
So, I haven't, like, even though I asked the question, I haven't had time to think about my own weird dream. But recently, I entered the house. Went into my
This
mom's
is
room.
in reality or in your
In
dream?
reality. In
Okay.
reality. I went into my mom's room and she's watching our podcast. So she's watching the episode where me and Fahim are like
Getting at each other, yeah.
talking about Bombay.
Hmm.
And then she suddenly pauses the episode, looks at me, and she's like, you know what dream I had yesterday? And I was like, what? She's like, I had a dream where you and Fahim were just having sex.
She was telling me this.
She's like, and I was so heartbroken because she's like, I just found out this way that my son is gay. Like, I didn't know what to do. What?
In the dream, she walks in on you like fucking him. Like you're on top. And
Yo,
Fahim
Fahim is the
under
bottom.
and Fahim's the bottom. And she's telling me, she's like, yeah. And I was so upset with him. Why he had to do these things in our bed?
And then, so she's like, I saw this dream. I was so scarred by it. And then she's like, I'm watching this episode where you guys are talking about cuddling and living together. She's like, it is so weird. And she has watched the episode after the dream, not before. It's not like subliminally somewhere she's like
Hmm.
subconsciously thought about it. So yeah, that's a weird dream my mom had.
Yeah, that is a very weird one.
Oh my God.
What about you?
I actually don't remember any of my dreams, to be honest. Is that normal?
That's not possible. You have to remember at least one.
Yeah,
dream.
something.
I genuinely don't remember.
Not even from childhood, nothing.
Nothing.
Oh. I mean,
Because
they say
I
that
don't know.
everyone dreams, but like
Hmm.
most people like forget their dreams
Yeah,
more
that's what,
likely
like,
than
I
other
don't
people, yeah.
remember any
You
of
should
my
wake up and
dreams.
like note it down instant, like right when you wake up.
Sure.
Has anyone
Actually-
ever lucid dreamt?
Like you
No.
can control
I've,
your
I've,
dreams.
Yeah.
I've tried like during like COVID for like 2 months. I tried.
What, when Devika gets amputated, you're like, put the leg back, put the leg
That's
back.
manifesting, bro.
No,
Yeah,
but-
like I just want to like stop the building, you know, and then nothing actually, nothing.
Wait.
let's
Why does it
finish the
feel like
thought.
you're confessing your love
Yeah.
for Devika on the podcast, bro?
There's nothing like that.
Yeah, but
Why
you
are you
just
blushing,
yeah,
dude?
why are you?
So you wouldn't say that you wouldn't stop the building.
No,
I wouldn't. Fuck
First of, all,
Devika.
first of all, the dude thinks he's Superman because he wanted to stop the building like this.
Dude, it's a fucking dream. I can do whatever I want.
So
That's
you-
what lucid dreaming is, you
So
idiot.
wait, so you held the building like this, saved her, and
It
then you guys
didn't
got
happen.
married.
It
Then you guys got married. And
Yeah, and then we
combined-
moved to Scotland, had a fucking farm with like sheep and cows, lived happily ever
Why is
after.
Scotland-
Wait, you have really thought about this?
That was-
Both of you combined have 3 legs. That's crazy.
That's fucked up.
No, but
He's
if her,
like
her leg also
from-
goes. Oh.
Yeah.
No, if her leg also goes, they only have 2 legs together.
No,
She
his
completes
leg
me.
is back now.
She's my other half. Literally.
Literally.
I mean, lucid dreaming, yeah. Like, I think, I don't know if you guys do this, but I feel like a lot of girls do this where if they're having like a little crush on someone or whatever, they try to like cook up.
There's a
They
F
try to
word
like
for that.
what?
It's
They
called
try to
fan-
hook up.
They try to cook up an
Cook up,
entire
oh.
scenario in their mind.
That's called
and, like,
fantasy.
That is called fantasizing.
Lucid
No.
dreaming is like when you're
it's like
dreaming and
you,
you're in
you
control.
sleep with that thought.
And then
So
you
then your dream ends up
Yeah, but
being
you guys think that's real, like when you sleep with a thought and then you usually...
100%.
when you sleep with a thought, you usually get AIDS.
Oh my god.
I have this one dream that I
I
get.
don't think you got it.
Huh?
You sleep with a thought, you get AIDS. Yeah, okay, go for it. I don't think
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I wasn't talking about you personally.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a you to get... Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about you sleeping with thoughts. I'm talking about...
Yeah.
Oh
general-
my
In
god.
general.
Yeah.
Back to Shamoli.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back to me.
You were
I'm
saying
done,
something.
dude.
I don't know what I was saying.
really stumped him.
I didn't even say it to you like that.
I used to have a lot of dreams about snakes back in the day.
Yeah.
I have a lot of Spider-Man dreams. Every time I watch Spider-Man, any Spider-Man movie, I have a Spider-Man dream.
Like your
I'm Spider-Man. I'm just
Parthiv,
swinging
whatever
in
his name
Panapinagar,
was.
Kalur, and
So, Palmanagar, where are you swinging?
exactly, bro. Even I don't know, but it just happens.
bungalow to bungalow.
You have like snake dreams as in like things biting you or?
No, it's just like I'm caught in a scenario where there is a snake.
Yeah, that happens to me also. I
Yeah.
think because
Yeah,
I'm very
that's-
scared of snakes.
You guys
Same,
have
I
this
have
thing where you're
phobia.
about to fall asleep and then suddenly you just fall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's normal, right?
That happens to me, but,
But
I'm
that's
actually
normal,
at
I
the edge of
think.
the bed when that happens.
Oh, shit. Okay.
So yeah, but that happens.
But this happens a lot, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that happens to me. Also all about snakes. I'm so scared of snakes, even though I live on a higher floor. Every night, the last
thought
thing
you
I
were
do
gonna say
before
that you live with a snake. and it's like,
I also
I
do.
live with the snake.
Yeah.
he lives with the snake. But every night, right before sleeping, the last thing I do after I pray is I look under my bed to see if there are any snakes. Like I'm not joking.
But you know the fucked up thing about that is if you check and there is a snake, it'll bite you in the face.
Yeah.
What?
You know, what if he's just chilling there?
Nah, bro.
In
No,
fact,
I mean,
in
I
fact, the
think-
snake told me he comes up to see if
If you're
snake is there.
No, so
What if
but-
he's hiding from you?
I used to have this thing where I don't know if you guys have had this, but I've had only one other friend experience the same thing. You have a like this used to happen to me in school a bunch. You have a dream about a girl, and you just it's not like that deep. You just hang out with the girl, and then for the next 6 months you just have a crush on the girl. Like, you
After the
can't-
dream?
Yeah.
After the dream.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I swear.
It sucks. It's
There
the
we go.
most like you can't do anything about it, and you don't know why you like them. It's just that, and they're nothing like how they were in the dream. They're like a
Yeah.
completely different person in the dream.
Dude, I swear I can be like a mid fucking bitch, bro. Like she's a 2 on a good day.
But does she have
And then-
the leg in, or one leg
Yeah,
only?
she has 2 legs. That's
She
the
has
problem,
one
bro.
leg.
No, but
And-
you saw the potential in that person in your dream.
No, you
No,
you
in
want
the
them to be a
dream-
certain way.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're extra nice to you and like yeah, that happens a lot. That sucks.
Mm.
And then you wake up and you see this girl and you're like, I don't know, I can fix her, but like.
You
Yeah.
can
Can
fix
she,
her.
can she fix me?
Yeah, can she
You
fix me?
can
Yeah.
fix her.
Like, yeah. Yes. Okay, next topic.
Have you guys ever but had it? So I used to watch a lot of these horror true crime shows. And
CID.
dude,
Crime Patrol.
CID used to scare the
C-
shit out of me, but there used to be
What?
This
another
is a Hindi CID.
Yeah.
CID is too good.
CID, but there used to be also
Inspector
this thing called
Pradyuman.
Ahat. Yeah, this guy. But there used to be this thing called Ahat. Have you
Ahat.
guys heard of that? Or Shh Koi Hai?
Wow.
Okay, so these were like, so these shows are so impractical that you will anyway be scared.
So it's not
because
true crime. It's false
CID
crime.
is
It's just crime.
technically true crime.
Wait, is Crime Patrol actually like real stories?
I don't know, dude. I don't watch crime.
You haven't
Patrol.
watched Crime Patrol? Okay.
But yeah, so Shh Koi Hai and Ahat is not true crime. It's just like horror. But CID is supposed to be true crime. But so I remember this scene so vividly, and I used to during winter break go to Gwalior, which is where my mom's parents are from, and so in Gwalior you don't have like high-rise buildings. Everybody's got bungalows or whatever, and so it used to be 9 of us cousins, and for some reason the older cousins would like love watching these shows and just annoy the living the life out of these younger ones, and I'm somewhere in the middle, but
They're built different.
built different. Not really, but yeah. So we used to every night sit on the 3rd floor and they would make us watch Ahat to toughen us up. Okay. And I remember this one episode so vividly where this guy, the bad guy in the series, was crawling up the walls to try and enter the house. I have never been able to sleep on the 3rd floor of that house without having that thought at the back of my head now.
I feel like, yeah, even for me, like even the snake dreams. You remember Anaconda, the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the shit that was like the horror movie of my
That
life.
got
Anaconda,
you.
Nicki Minaj. Yo.
Yo, that's that's not horror, bro.
That's a dream.
No, that is horror.
That's a dream.
There was Anaconda and there was Harry Potter Goblet of Fire. Fuck, the last, when Voldemort comes back, they just scare the shit out of me.
He looks weird also.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
weird. White guy. You know what upsets me a lot? What I don't understand? It's, you know how for some reason cars, I've seen there's normal cars and then there are cars with like something on it to signify who owns the car. Like doctor cars, they have like the
The
Cadicius
sign. Yeah.
thing in
Yeah.
the back, and there are like judges and lawyers and
Yeah.
stuff. What are we supposed to do with that information as other
No,
people?
it's just like, for instance, a doctor, if the sticker is there, in cases of emergency, they're allowed to sort of.
But how do you know like they're not just abusing it? Because in
You
Russia,
can't easily just get that sticker. You need to actually show documentation. Like lawyers also get a sticker which says they're a lawyer.
Doctors, I think all of them get it, right?
Yeah, so but you need to
Yeah.
show that you're a doctor. You
Okay.
can't just randomly walk up and get that sticker.
but that's not like what.
But like,
is-
what does it
kind of
do? What
emergency?
can you do with that?
Now, what kind of emergency are you talking about with doctors?
in case they need to get to like the hospital or something.
But that
I don't
sticker's
think
there. What is he gonna
anyone-
do?
Yeah. I
no,
don't think
mean
anyone.
it gives you the right to sort of.
Be a dick? I don't know. I feel like most people with that
Speed.
stuff are just assholes. More
They
often.
abuse it,
Really.
right?
Yeah, they abuse it.
Yeah.
Not really. I
Yeah,
mean,
fine with a sticker.
Fine, yeah.
Fine with
I
a
can
sticker,
totally
you
see
just-
fine
Bro,
going to French
he
stores
just-
for oranges.
He's
and
never
running-
stopped. He's never stopped at a red light, that motherfucker. Never stopped.
yeah, so he's paying the bills for that, no?
He's never
He-
stopped
no.
a red light.
Chalan.
There's no challan because he has that doctor thing.
That's
Saying-
the benefit of the sticker.
That's what I'm saying. He's
That's what it's
abusing
fucked up.
it.
I feel like you
It's
don't
to go to
need
Watson's before everyone.
I feel like it's
Yeah.
TMI for another driver.
No, it's necessary, but some people will misuse it. But for the most, you have to look at the greater good.
No, but see, I understand if there's like a siren and stuff, and then you're using it. Like then you know it's an emergency.
No,
But I'm not just gonna give way to you just because you studied more than me. Like I don't
mean,
give a fuck
that's-
if you save lives. Maybe
that's
he's
the
like
problem you have. You
maybe he's
need
like
to-
maybe he's like a dentist and who like dentists.
Dentists
No,
don't.
they don't
I
get
don't
it.
think they
They
get
don't
it.
They don't get
They
it.
don't get it. No.
That's
No,
fucked
they can. They put.
They're
a
not
teeth-
DR.
They put smile.
No, they always put the clinics like sticker on their cars. I've
So,
seen
Yeah,
that.
but
so
they
in
don't
Russia,
get that.
there was this
Leeway.
huge controversy in the 2010s where apparently they caught a bunch of celebrities using ambulances to cut traffic. So like,
Oh.
But
yeah,
where were these
See,
celebs going?
like they were just going for parties or whatever.
Oh my
Like they
God.
want to, but like the funny thing is this wouldn't work in India because even ambulances don't get way, so they're also.
You know, there was a person who got, who was, I think, imprisoned or something in Kerala itself because he didn't give way to an ambulance.
Whoa!
Yeah.
He had the doctor sticker.
All the lawyers. He didn't have the lawyer sticker for sure.
A lawyer sticker gives you just like certain additional like benefits like parking and stuff.
Yeah, and with cops also, I think
It's better.
I think they respect you more and they
Makes
don't
sense.
really abuse their power.
But what they wait? So is it there for bikes and all and stuff also? Or is it just for cars?
I mean, I'm sure there is like.
No, I'm
I
sure
don't
for
think a
bikes
doctor's
there
going on a
Like, where will you
bike, bro.
stick it
So that's what. Like, what if you are a doctor who rides a Harley?
You're then
Yo.
doing it for recreational purposes, not to get to a patient.
No, it's faster to get to places on a bike.
Yeah, the
That's true.
sticker thing is interesting. I really, yeah, that's so like.
It's
should create
so.
a sticker-
We should get a sticker for creators.
creators, yeah.
Yo.
But what do you guys need a sticker for?
Imagine
What?
suddenly-
Imagine pulling up to French toast and there's some idiot who's there in the parking,
Yeah,
right?
just a
Like you want
normal
him to move
dude.
your car.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Or,
need that.
or,
sticker.
or you're at a traffic light and you want to shoot somebody else on the other side,
Then
Shoot
you need
as
to-
in like with
like with a camera.
Oh, okay.
That first you have to go and get their consent and whatnot, right?
With the
No,
that's
no,
what with the
With
influencer
the sticker, you can
do
shoot
it.
whatever you
Yeah.
want.
Yeah.
You get that.
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
actually,
God.
Yeah. Like suddenly I'm stuck.
Yo,
in-
This
that's
is
crazy.
why
Yeah.
this is why creators can't make law, right? This is why.
No, you know,
I can ask everyone to put their window down and they can't. do it,
Oh.
Nisu said something interesting about parking in French toast.
Oh.
So Shamini has this thing which is
It
I
is a
don't understand.
psychological disorder, I
Okay,
feel.
I'm glad you see it as a disorder.
Of course.
She needs to, if she goes to any coffee shop, any restaurant, anything, she has to park her car as close to the entry of the joint as possible.
Yeah. Like,
Even if it's fucking uncomfortable to park there, you could park a little away.
Because you want to see what's going on with the car.
Dude, she's just
no,
lazy.
I
She
just
doesn't want to
like.
work.
I just like having the option
No,
of
no,
feeling.
I'll tell you how anal she is about this. I'll tell you how anal she is about this. If she's going to a place like French Toast, guys, French Toast has limited parking, 6-7 parking spots right next to the coffee
the
shop.
entrance, yeah.
If she doesn't get a spot there and she has to park a little further away, little further means literally 20 meters away. Once one of the car leaves, she will get out of French Toast, go take a car and come and park.
I don't get peace of mind unless I see my car.
But where is the car
Dude,
going?
nobody's stealing
It's not
that Kia
about the car
Seltos.
going anywhere.
It's about you
It's
going.
about me being able to leave in like a second. Like if shit goes south, I just want to be in my
Shit
car.
goes south.
Wait, I have a
What?
question. Okay, if you had to choose between a slightly further spot, but it's easier to drive away,
No.
versus
No.
a spot that you can see, but it's much like it's very
See,
difficult to
I'll
get
tell
out.
you what. My car is my safe space.
Okay,
I want my safe space next to
but
me.
if you're stuck in the car in an unsafe
it's
space,
okay. It's okay. I'm in my car. Nothing can
we
go
just
wrong.
need to put emotional music over this.
I
My car is my
you
safe
don't
space.
understand. It is a psychological thing. Like I need to park close to where I am.
Like, I am not joking. One day, if she started a coffee shop, her car will be inside the coffee shop.
There is a
like
cafe in Dubai.
Like the waiters will have to cross, jump up.
So there is a cafe in Dubai where they park supercars inside the cafe.
See, that's understandable. That's what I was gonna say. Like, if it was a Lambo,
Bro, it's not about the car.
it's about her.
oh,
It's about
about
my emotions.
oh shit. Sorry.
Like,
Sorry.
Shamini recently got into an accident and her car's gone to the workshop. And it's-
Don't make me cry.
yeah, like we are joking about this. This is genuine sadness. She's in tears. Then
Oh,
her car.
that's why we pulled up in the
Celerio.
Celerio.
Yeah, so guys, she has
The
a
Uber
Kia,
car.
but now she's in a Celerio.
But the
and, but
Celerio is so cute.
Celerio is cute, but like she
Yeah.
is genuinely in tears when they said it'll take around 2-3 weeks to fix the car.
Yeah.
That's quite sad.
It is because honestly I spend so much time with that car. It's like an extension of my being now. Like y'all don't respect my thoughts.
Yes. Optimus Prime here. Optimus Prime.
Yeah,
She's Shia
laugh
LaBeouf.
now, but that Kia has helped each and every one of you over here. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Optimus Prime, for your, for
I
your
have a
service to
problem with the Kia,
community.
but the front AC works too well. Like
My
it's too
AC
cold.
is not working.
AC is not working.
Okay, so guys, Kia Seltos made in the year
Aryan has put his nazar on my AC.
made in the year of 2020. The beauty of the car is if you switch on the AC in the front, it's like you're on the tundra. Okay, it's like
you're in
you're
fucking-
fucking freezing to death, and it's just at 1.
You know what? None of you bitches are allowed in my car once
Okay,
it's back.
but and we used to complain about it all the time. Then we went to Varkala for Shamini's birthday, and from Varkala I said, back to Cochin. The AC stopped working.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
For
traveled
6 hours.
with all
Windows
the windows
down?
open for 6 hours.
Fuck. That is
It was so bad.
It was so bad.
I lost
yeah.
like about.
You were sleeping. You have no idea.
No, that's
it
not
was-
what I'm saying. I lost about like 35% of whatever hair I have left. like it's
Fuck
crazy.
up, dude.
Dude, actually, it was like so.
If you were not in my car, you'd be outside somewhere. No, it would have been equally hot. Stop bullshitting.
No, it's not about the heat.
Then?
It's the wind hitting your hair non-stop. Yeah, I'm saying the hair flew off.
That's what, like the front is like you're in a tundra. The back is like you're in the Sahara desert. Like the AC does not reach the back
AC
for
is
some
not
reason.
working, Aryan.
Yeah.
Stop
It was
talking
fucked up.
about someone behind
this,
their
you did
back
this,
when
you
they're
did
dead.
That was a good car always.
No, so, but yeah, I just like my car next to me. Like, and also, you know what pisses me off? I don't understand people who are not ethical when they're parking. you are parking, your car requires one spot to park. Don't park horizontally in fucking 2 spots. So I have gone to the extent of me entering French Toast, telling the waiters to find out whose car it is, speaking to that person, making them change the way they park, giving them a lecture on how to park, and then I go and park my car next to it.
So
But yeah.
Why are you so proud of that?
Because it's about ethics, it's about principles.
Yeah.
that's crazy. I don't think I'd ever have the
Some
So see-
motherfucker just pulled up to French Toast to have a slice of cake and
Yeah, but then-
Shamul is there lecturing him for an hour about parking ethics.
Oh, you're in the RTO.
My issue is don't inconvenience others for no reason at all.
So you're inconveniencing them for
How
inconveniencing
am I?
you.
No, sorry. If you've parked in 2 spots.
You deserve to be
wait,
inconvenienced.
wait.
No, if you're parking in 2 spots, you're just randomly
Are you
inconveniencing
inside French
someone.
Toast when this happens, or like you're like about to park and you can't park?
Or you're
No,
just passing by.
No.
Just to see if everyone's parking properly.
I do that sometimes.
Justice has been served.
No, but
The master vigilante, Shamuli Parekh.
the parking police. But no, so I usually it's when I want to park, which is when I make them move. I'm
Okay,
not
so then
unreasonable.
where do you park and go inside and find
I
out who
block
the
their car. Yeah, because if they want to inconvenience me, I can double down on you.
2 wrongs make a right, bro. 2 wrongs make a right.
Yeah. Thanks. I respect that.
No, because see, eventually they'll realize, okay, shit, I should have parked another way, and then they'll come to me to move my car so that they can leave.
yes.
Mastermind. Yeah, that's why I don't do crime,
the way to
dude. But speaking of Varkala, it was so amazing, that birthday trip for me. It started off very cold, but the surfing
Cold.
session, like cold as in blah.
That time AC was working.
I wish I could go.
Just like, where did you come from?
The Kia Seltos backseat. But no, it started off very like dull, but that one surfing session really changed life for me. I like how Nisu's reacting when he was just outside the water doing nothing.
Dude, it looked so fun from like outside, and
I
I just wanted to do it so bad.
So you prefer object or experience?
You bastard.
Sorry.
If I was watching this, he would die laughing.
Experience for the 100th time.
Guys,
For context-
that's a throwback to one of our old episodes.
Yeah, I'm giving Nisu context because he wasn't there back in the
Oh.
day. There was this one episode where Aryan's asking everybody object or experience, and he's forgotten
That I've
100
asked.
times that he's asked me this already.
And I kept asking.
Yeah, he kept asking me. And I kept saying experience. But yeah, so that one surfing session was truly life changing for me. Like, I know it's very corny, it's very cliche
You
to
cooked
say
though.
that.
You cooked.
I did cook,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, Shamali and Neil.
Sharan was the best, but like second, yeah, for sure it's you, not Neeraj. Yeah.
You couldn't surf?
Just because he's bought your loyalty with that t-shirt.
I said this the same day
fucking
too.
suck his dick elsewhere.
This is not grounds for fellatio.
Yeah. Sharan didn't cook at all.
Yeah, I know it was a joke.
Okay.
He didn't even catch one wave.
I mean, to be fair,
Not
you don't count those as waves. Those are just
Yeah.
baby waves. But
No, those are waves.
they're not
I
the
think you're making it-
actual surfing waves. You know, like
You're
they're
making
just
it
like
worse.
when
It
you
should be
learn.
easier then.
But I'm
Yeah.
definitely
Yeah.
going back and doing like a proper course. Like it was, again, like I was saying, it's cliche and it's corny to say that these adventures change your life, but it did. It really did.
How did it change your life?
I don't know. I just feel like I
Now
can
when
take on
when
anything.
somebody parks fucked up, you're like, ah, fuck it, it's okay.
Fuck
No,
it, I'm
no,
going
no.
surfing tomorrow.
I'm going so.
Just because it changed
I
my
just
life
want-
doesn't
I
mean
just-
my principles don't
This
matter.
guy probably only surfs baby waves.
He's a goofy. No, but doesn't it piss you guys off when someone inconveniences you for no reason at all?
For some reason, if they inconvenience you,
Yeah, then it's understandable. Like if you're at a hospital and you parked any which way, yeah, there was an emergency. I get it. At a fucking cafe, you can take the time to park nicely. It's not going to
like,
kill
okay, forgot
anyone.
Surfing again, and she went back.
Yeah.
Surfing was fun.
See, I feel like if all the the parking problem applies to you specifically because you want the car near the cafe.
No, even if it's not near, Aryan, it's simple. There are 5 slots there, which means 5 cars can get there.
Yeah, that's what. If all the cars are filled and then there is one guy who is like taking 2 spots, then I'll be like, hey man, please.
Yeah, what do you think I'm
But,
randomly telling
if
people?
all the spots are free and then somebody takes 2 spots, would you be upset?
No, then I
Then it's okay.
understand it. It's fine.
Okay.
Like,
But if those 2 spots are in front of the cafe,
I mean, there are 5 spots in front of the cafe. It's all cafe. No, but I've done that. If there are 2 spots in front of the cafe only and this guy's done it, then I'm
you're
in.
like guns akimbo.
No,
You
for-
can do
see,
it.
it's simple.
I think you can do it as long as you have like a supercar or like a very expensive
No,
car.
you can't do it.
You can.
I'm sorry.
But I have
Because
to
you-
say, like,
because
Your
he doesn't
money doesn't buy that parking spot.
No, I feel like you just don't want anyone like scratching your car or
Then
doing
don't
anything.
take it out, no?
I feel like
No,
the
then
Let
Hollywood-
it be at home. Enjoy it at home.
How do you enjoy a car at home?
I'm sorry, you're in India. There is going to be no space for your supercar to take up 5 parkings.
Not 5, just 2.
I'm sorry, no. Even if it is a supercar, I will go and tell that person.
Wow, this is a
"Please."
real hot take.
I feel like if
this
a guy,
feels like supercars can take 2 parking spots.
yeah, I think it's fine.
That's actually, I don't know.
Because you've paid so much for it, you don't want to risk anyone
Yeah, but
scratching
then-
it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. This is public parking. It is not your private parking.
Yeah, true. But again,
What she meant to say
maybe
is
maybe
what
you
I
should
think.
erect.
no,
like
what
a-
she meant to say is it's not your dad's, bro.
Yeah, तेरे बाप का नहीं है.
I feel like this is a hot take. I feel like women can do this more than men can.
What do you mean?
Parking.
Like
Yo, if a woman does that, like-
I would feel more comfortable asking my lady friend to ask a person to park properly than I would feel comfortable asking someone to park.
Why? I mean, it's
I don't
just
know.
how you say it, right? Like if you're, it's not like I'm going guns blazing and just being like, hey buddy, you've parked your car.
But that's what you can.
the more you talk, the
No.
more she sounds like Optimus Prime.
No, obviously you just request them to, hey, you've taken up 2 spots. Can you please fix your parking or whatever? Can you just repark properly? Yeah, you just have to be nice about it. Like I remember there was this one me trying to save the world situation where this guy we were standing outside Milano and this guy first dropped his tissue paper. I was like, okay, Shamli, it's okay. You don't have to like correct everybody. So I said like, I'll let it go. Then he dropped his cigarette box. I was like, yeah, I can't let it go. So I told him, hey, can you please throw your trash in the dustbin? It's right here. He said, okay, I'll do it. After 10 minutes, he's in a group of 4 people. After 10 minutes, one of the other people, after 10 minutes, okay, he looks at me and he's like, dude, where did your friend stub his cigarette? And I was like, bro, I don't know. I wasn't there. He's like, yeah, you ask your friend to stub his cigarette in the dustbin and then you come telling us. So my problem with these kind of situations is, okay, why did you have to wait for me to correct you to then come back at me and say, okay, why didn't you tell your friend? Yeah, so either you be the first person to point out the mistake or take it in your stride to just fix your mistake, right? Don't just start pointing fingers randomly. But then that became an entire like scene. It became a
Yeah?
fight. Yeah, because obviously egos were hurt that I corrected them.
But that's like a whole ego thing, yeah.
Should've
Yeah,
stopped
but
listening
I'm
about him.
like,
So there were 4 guys. There were 4 guys, and it was me, Shamari, Archana, and Anshu. So Anshu is the one who stubbed the
Smoking.
cigarette. So obviously, when they pointed out that Anshu is the one who stubbed the cigarette, Shamari wasn't there when Anshu stubbed it and threw it on the floor. So Anshu, obviously, being who he is, he just took the cigarette, he picked it up and he threw it and immediately
Yeah.
disposed of it. And then the argument started escalating more and more and more. And as we got closer, one of the guys came to Anshu really close and said, "Bro, I came for your wedding. I am so and so uncle's son. Dude, just let it go, bro. We are all kind of under the influence of alcohol."
no,
And
but they
Wow,
did
this
let
was
it
recently
go.
that means.
yeah,
Yeah,
this like
very recently.
1 month back.
No, so see, my issue is okay, you've told us, we've picked it up. We didn't even say anything back to you, okay? The second bit was we were standing in our circle and I was telling Sharan that because when this thing started to escalate, Sharan raised his voice a little. So I said, you didn't have to. It's okay, let them be in the wrong, right?
You
Why
said,
do you
"Oh,
have to-"
yeah."
What do you say? Hey, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan!
No, so he may have said whatever.
I
but
said, "Oh, yeah."
so I was telling him, you don't have to do that. This other group, that one man who told me, oh, your friend did whatever, he's like, oh, you don't need to bitch about us now. I was like, bro, I have literally corrected my friend. That's when I lost my shit. And I was
Yeah.
like, I called him an idiot and whatnot. But,
That's it.
Was he double parked?
dude, I don't know, man. Imagine.
Imagine if he was double parked. You would have
I
beaten the
would've
shit out of him. You would have pulled out your
really-
bat suit.
No, the best way to piss off Shamari is double park and then take out a cigarette and just
Not even smoking. Just
It's just, I don't understand. Like,
shoot it into
why
Arjun
can't
Reddy.
your
Dun,
ego...
dun, dun, dun.
Why does an ego have to come into play when you're wrong?
Yeah.
Like, I understand if I have mistook it and then accused you of something. In front of me, you've trashed. Obviously, I'm going to fix you.
So yeah, I like surfing.
Yeah, how was your experience of it?
It was fun. It was very intensive. I genuinely didn't think that we could surf at all because I've seen a lot of videos where people like keep
Yeah, I
falling
was
on the
surprised
face.
that you guys could like.
No,
Because
but
I've seen people
Shamini
like
and-
struggle.
Yeah, Shamini and Neeraj could properly surf,
Yeah.
and I mean, and even the instructors were really nice. Like they were really.
They were so much fun. It was this
Yeah.
school called Moon Waves.
Yeah, Moonwaves and
Um,
Varkala. If anybody wants to, I
yeah.
think surfing season's done, but it'll start in like 6-7 months again.
Neeraj looked like he didn't have any fun. He just wanted like prove a point. You
No,
know?
he just wanted. He just
No,
wanted,
because you guys are at least like smiling, laughing. You guys are falling and then like chilling. But Neeraj, he'd fall. He'll just look at me if I'm recording, and then he'll be like, "Okay." He'll turn around. He'll just go back, try another one, and then he won't look at the camera. He'll keep doing that.
But to be fair, you were such a bitch. You recorded only him falling.
no, he's got.
he
proper
fell
footage.
way too many times.
No, he's got proper footage of.
Neeraj, yeah.
But
and
what
even
the
you.
issue is balance or what?
Yeah, it's your core strength, it's your balance. Because once you're in the water, when the wave hits, you're supposed to pop off, which means you're supposed to stand on the board. So that standing bit and finding your balance is the trickiest part. Once you've done that, then it's just like sort of navigating, which is easy.
So yeah, surfing was a lot of fun. But on a whole, after hearing about how amazing Varkala is, I didn't think Varkala was amazing at all.
That's because Sharan, you are not used to places like that. You're spoiled.
I'm used to clean places. Yes,
No,
Yeah,
I'm just
no,
saying
you're
that why
used to
Varkala
French
when you can
toast.
go to Goa.
100%.
Dude, Goa is obviously an
100%.
entirely different.
No. But the amount
ecosystem.
of people who keeps talking, like
No, people
obviously
keep
Goa-
comparing it.
Yeah.
They keep saying mini
that,
Goa,
that
mini Goa. It's
comparison
not
is
mini
wrong.
Goa.
That comparison is entirely wrong because
Like-
Varkala is not going to reach the standards of
Never.
Goa
I'd assume it's
anytime
cheaper than
soon. It's way cheaper. Also, Varkala is mostly visited by people who want to surf and stuff because surfing in Varkala
I mean,
is.
cheaper as in like it's pretty
international.
much the same. Like
Are you crazy? Varkala is so much cheaper.
the food was.
Dude, the food in Goa is mad expensive at any good place you go to. Even your shacks in Goa are so
I
expensive.
feel like the food, whatever we ate, was same.
No,
Like
no,
the seafood
no.
and everything.
Maybe
same
stay
prices.
wise, yeah. During season time, obviously.
No,
Varkala will
even
be
the
cheaper.
food is way more expensive in Goa.
Really, Arjuna was maybe like less cheaper than French toast. I'm sure.
I think it's the same because even that.
Yeah,
even
French
prawns
toast is
we
the
had
bad
last
bar
day,
to set. Yeah.
It was like almost $700, right? Just like
Yeah.
What?
the prawns he had the last day was all.
I mean, but prawns anywhere is expensive.
no, but even in
Yeah,
Goa,
but
like
same as-
I've had much better prawns for like.
I feel like in
cheaper.
Goa you can't jack up the prices so much because your competition is so intense that you obviously have to play by.
You can only
whatever
jack off
you-
the prices.
I don't know.
but-
I feel like
but
Varkala has
no,
its
but
own charm.
there's absolutely no comparison.
Yeah,
Only-
there is
obviously,
no comparison.
If you want to go surfing, yeah, but otherwise Varkala is just like a lot of dirty fucking cafes and that's all.
No, but I also
Yeah,
think
it's kinda nasty though.
the issue was we didn't go season time, right? So it was pretty dead. There
But-
weren't as many people.
season
Say
time
we
will be
go
just
season
too
time, it'll be
dirty.
dirtier.
Yeah.
Man, you guys are fucking spoiled.
How
Y'all
is it
don't
spoiled? We would like a
understand the
element
charm
of cleanliness,
Okay.
Hygiene.
hygiene. Just the way you don't want people to double park, we want people to wash their hands after shitting. You know?
That
is it too much
is-
to ask?
that is a universal thing. But
Not very universal.
no, I don't know. I really liked Varkala, especially like if you go with the purpose of like whatever surfing or surfing. I think it's really
Especially
nice.
The purpose of surfing or surfing.
Did you guys see the cliff? Or
Yeah,
is it
Yeah.
just
I
cliffs there?
mean, we were on the cliff.
That's the only thing to do there. You go to the
It's
North
just-
Cliff.
North Cliff or
North
South
Cliff,
Cliff?
yeah.
Yeah.
You can't jump off the cliff and into the water.
No,
Just
you,
once.
obviously you can jump off. You just won't make it. That's it.
Just once.
Yeah.
I don't know. Goa, I didn't enjoy so much. It felt like.
That's because we ended up going to the same place
But even
every
just
single
as
day.
a vibe of a place, it feels too
No,
dystopian.
I feel like
They're having too
places
much
like
fun.
Goa, even Varkala, or any of those holiday, Bali, whatever sort of places, I feel like you should go with a huge group of people and people who are fun loving.
No, I'll tell you what. I think
If you go with like a small group of people, it's like, whatever.
no, but y'all don't like the slow life. Y'all want it to be let's do something, let's do something, let's do
How
something.
slow do you want life to be?
I love slow life. Like I like slow living. I like going to a cafe, just reading a book, not having anyone around me. That is my ideal day,
That's crazy. What about the other
No.
customers?
bro. I meant like
Fuck the
people I
customers,
know.
I can just go to a cafe here and read a book. Like, why am I doing
Yeah,
that?
why? Yeah.
Nisu, you've not read in I think 10 years.
What do you mean? I've read all the Percy Jackson and Geronimo Stilton books.
Yeah, I repeat, you've not read a book in like 10 years. So you don't need to talk. But yeah, I
Imagine
think,
he taking a book out of his pocket right now.
so I don't think y'all are accustomed to that kind of life. Y'all want there to be action. Y'all want there to be like for you especially because you're so used to vlogging. You can't accept that slow life.
I think he just constantly needs that dopamine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
Are you guys someone who can willingly travel solo or yeah?
Yeah, for sure. I think I'd prefer it to traveling with people.
I can't travel solo. No interest.
Yeah.
I can't. I mean, I could
I
travel.
need
solo.
someone, like someone.
Because when you travel with people, there is always that one slow fuck.
I didn't. That is you.
You just
No, it's not me.
you just
Not me.
you just leave them behind.
You sound like a guilty person.
I'm not, not me. I was that person when I was like 10 in my family of adults.
No, I'll tell you what.
I was that person. Sue me when I was a child and I couldn't read.
No, I feel like when you're traveling in a group, there's always the leaders and then there's always the followers. So you just need to find a way to become the leader in that group
No,
and
so
make things happen.
Yeah. So I feel.
Who's the
like
alpha? Who's the alpha in Varkala?
In Varkala, I think I was. Yeah.
100% beta.
There's
Only the
an
betas
alpha-
say they're the
yeah,
alphas.
Because alphas
Exactly.
never say that.
They know they're the alphas.
The whole reason we went
Yo.
surfing was because of me. The whole reason we went to those shit ass cafes was because I chose them. Okay, I take the onus of having having made those
Yeah,
bad
Goa's
decisions.
actually
but
really nice, bro.
Yeah,
Goa's really
like,
nice.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Like, it's so sweet.
It's okay. I get hate while shooting the podcast. I get hate post shooting.
So maybe this will change the consensus. Like,
No,
you know,
no, it's
they're
not
mean,
changing.
they're mean to her on
No,
the podcast.
now
We
it'll
should
be
nice.
like, oh my god, she's just like, oh, she wants to be the alpha in every room. But yeah. So I think every time you travel in a group, there's like the leaders, and they're the ones who decide the itinerary, the way the day is gonna.
I don't. So when you're group traveling, yeah, like you said, there are leaders and followers, but leader and followers, or two leaders and several followers. The only people I don't like is the followers who sometimes feel like they're leaders.
Yeah, they're selective leaders.
Neeraj! Neeraj!
They're selective leaders.
They will wake up one day or some activity, they're suddenly like, I'm leader.
Yeah. After having slept for the entire trip on the last day, they're like, oh, you know what? I want to do this. I'm like, sorry. It's not going to happen.
Just the way you can't double park, you can't be a leader.
No, see, for me, it's... Dude, don't be selfish, right?
Oh, yeah, of course. Don't be-
It's as simple as that. If you want to
No,
do
when you're
something...
going with a group, like, it has to align
Yeah,
with
you have to
everyone's-
be a little
Yeah.
selfless, right? You can't always get your way. And if you're not able to understand that, you don't deserve to be a leader.
Wow.
Like, okay,
But
correct me if
I'll
I'm
tell you-
wrong.
Okay.
At least, okay, when we had gone to Russia, the group was divided into two.
Yeah,
Our group had
the
a...
winners and the
a
What,
losers.
great
what were the two groups?
So it was Afzar, Saliha, Agrim, Sharan and me. We
You're
were one
okay.
group.
Wait.
Aryan hated me that time.
Wait, so then it was just you, Gayu and Priya.
Priya.
Any group
Yo.
which involved a lot of walking and Saliha, I will pay money not to be a part of that group.
No, Saliha was very happy to walk.
Saliha was a dragon that trip. And that was my first interaction with Saliha properly. Bro, she got upset with Afzar because she chose the wrong burger. And he chose the right burger.
We've spoken about this
Yeah,
so
we
many
spoke
times.
And
about
she
this.
cried.
No, but see, that's their personal matter. That's fine. Okay, that's their personal
But
thing.
Saliha makes it everyone's matter when
No,
she says.
it wasn't. It wasn't like that. That was like whatever.
I like car Saliha. I don't like walking Saliha.
No, but the five of us had a great time. We were walking around everywhere. There was no like struggle to have the power in the group and stuff. Like Sharon and I decided everything. Everybody was like happy to do it. We did the touristy stuff. We were chilling in cafes, having honey cake and coffee. It was amazing, right? But like for instance, if I was going alone, I would have done a lot more like touristy stuff, like probably just spend more time in a museum or whatever, right? Like I didn't see the Summer Palace in St. Petersburg.
But I feel like it's hard to have a follower in your group like Sharshata.
Meaning?
Because he's...
He's the leader,
No,
no.
that's not... I don't think he's the leader. He listens to somebody else and he's like, yes or no.
No.
So, but that's what. So he needs a high dopamine activity. You can't just sit
See,
in
Aryan,
a cafe.
I'll tell you my trick later, okay?
okay.
It's just making him think he's the leader.
Yo,
Which-
what the fuck is she
So
saying,
you
man?
just have to just be like, yeah, you're right. But you think you manipulate. You make them believe that
They're
what
alpha.
you,
We'll
yeah.
make our own group, bro.
Yeah. Let's go to Goa
Because he
tomorrow.
won't say what... He won't be proactive about what he wants. He'll be proactive about what he doesn't want.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and when I take away everything I don't want to do, I have
You
something I
discover
want-
what you
Yeah.
want. That's such a tedious process.
But yeah, that and honestly, my ideal set of travel involves just 3 people. That's
3.
it. 3 is the ideal
My
number.
ideal
3
would
is
be
a
like at
party.
least 12 people.
Yeah, that's because you want a vlog.
No, not because of that.
Just friendship.
No, but
You don't even have 12 friends.
No, I have 12 friends if I like, really put them together.
Mama, Papa, Aryan.
Appu. Count all the family.
You can't count all the family. Also.
I think like 6 to 8. That's perfect.
Yeah, their friends also come sometimes.
Yeah, that's bad.
For me, ideally, it's 3 people. Like I had the best trip of my life when it was 3 people.
What
Because
trip was this?
this is in 2017. I'd gone to Europe with my best friend, and I had one of my other friends like sort of join us. But
The
we
third wheel, no, the one who nobody wanted.
no, I mean he was only my friend. So I mean the only person who
So
would
only
have
you
not
didn't want
wanted
him.
him was me. But no, so he basically we planned it in a way that we were sort of. This is like right out of college and whatever first job, so you're not making that much money. So you want it to be cost effective, and it was also a month-long trip, right? So I got him to come so that we can figure out the accommodation and make it a little more reasonable. But it also helped in the manner that if it's only 2 people after a point for 30 days, there's only so much you can like
Yeah.
discuss. So the third person really balances things out.
You can shut up.
Yeah, and like sometimes if you don't want to do something, there's another person who probably will be willing to do it. So yeah, but that was the best trip of my life so far.
Did you like go all over Europe or?
So we covered Italy, we covered Spain, and we just did Lisbon and Portugal.
So what was your
Um,
favorite place out of all?
Lesbian.
Oh, lesbian.
Let's
Same.
go.
So
Same.
I did like the cities a lot more. I loved Rome, I loved Barcelona, and I loved Lisbon.
It's actually Barcelona.
Barcelona, like Ibiza. I hated that place.
What's pizza?
Yeah, because I'm not a party person. Like you take me and
How
you
can
make
you
me.
hate Ibiza? Oh
Everybody
my
was
god.
parking everywhere, bro.
Never travel at Shamoli.
I'm not a party person.
Dude, you need to
So-
party sometimes. You need to like.
I just don't
let it-
understand. I stand in attention in a club, dude. Like, what am I supposed to do? I'm not a music person, so concerts are not for me. So that place just wasn't my vibe. But I loved, like, there's a small town called Toledo, which is the erstwhile capital of Spain. I loved that town because there's so
There's
much
a nice
culture,
library there.
there's so much history. What did you say? There's a nice library.
Yeah,
Yeah, there was. But like really nice like culture and history, and like the streets are so like quaint, and yeah, and my favorite thing to do every time I'm traveling is like a walking tour just to understand the place. Like the Rome walking tour that I did was, if you've read Angels and Demons, Dan Brown, and you do that, I didn't laugh. It's okay.
No, I want to say you guys were roaming around.
My caption on
Oh, that was your
Instagram is roaming around. But yeah, so like I like that kind of aspect to travel. I'm not a chill person when it comes to traveling. I have a strict itinerary.
You're not a chill person otherwise also.
That's so rude, Sharan.
No, she's in the
It's
slow
just
living.
just for the, yeah. It's just for
But
He's not-
aggressive slow living.
Man.
I'm very
She's reading a book in a coffee shop or like this. Oh, I must live slow.
better nobody parking.
I'm a very chill person till someone inconveniences.
So she sees somebody down, but she closes the book.
No,
She gets up.
no, like this.
Guys, don't be rude.
When you have to say I'm a chill person, you're not a chill person.
I am a chill person. Don't lie. I just like to get through my itinerary and then chill. Which is why I always have like an extra 1.5 days when I travel for every place. So in Rome we had
Crazy
5
that she
days
said
because in 3
1.5.
days, yeah, in 3 days we were done with everything. And then for like 2 days we were shopping, we were chilling, we were sitting in cafes, getting drunk. It was really the Roman life.
But you like to do the touristy stuff and the extra stuff? Or?
When I say touristy stuff, it means like exploring the place. But like, for instance, obviously, if I go to Rome, I'm going to go to the Vatican, right? See the museum, see the paintings, etc. I'm going to go to the fountain, the Trevi Fountain. I'm going to go to the Spanish Steps. But also, like, you do your research, you figure out which other places are really nice to visit and stuff, and you do that as well. So that is what I consider touristy. But obviously, I do the basic touristy stuff as well.
I feel like the ideal way to travel is to find a person who lives in that city and then to travel.
Of
Like
course.
meet one person, but
Yeah.
otherwise, just when you do touristy stuff, I feel like you do everything which everybody else does.
Yeah.
You're very
Yeah, I mean, that's what
Similar
I meant when you
experience.
do research is like you speak to people who've lived there, who've been there extensively and who've spent so much time there that they know the ins and outs of the place. They know those hole in the wall cafes or restaurants where you should go. Because, I mean, my point of traveling to a place is to understand how the people of that place live. So, yeah.
That speaking of which, as of time of recording, they opened up a portal between New York and Dublin. So the way this portal works is it's like basically a FaceTime. It's like a huge circle. This Lithuanian artist made in New York in Times Square, and I guess the Times Square of Dublin. And basically, like whatever you show to the camera in New York, they'll see in Dublin. Whatever you see in Dublin, they'll see in New York. And obviously, human beings being human beings, people were like having sex in front of the one in New York. The one in Dublin, they showed 9/11 photos.
They showed 9/11. So they said
and
the
it's like
first
a
thing.
massive thing.
Yeah, it's huge, right? Like it's as big as it's like till the AC. Like it's huge. And then this one guy, he brings his phone and he says R.I.P. Pop Smoke. And then the next clip is just 9/11, like a fucking crazy angle that I haven't even seen. And I'm like a 9/11 angle enthusiast. So then this thing, like it's crazy. It just goes, and then they shut it down for a while, right? And then when they opened it, this OnlyFans model
Yeah.
flashed like
See,
her
this
titties.
is-
And
this is
which
why-
Now it's
OnlyFans model
closed.
where in Ireland or
no, in
New
New
York.
York.
so Ireland is happy.
I don't know.
Very happy. Like,
So-
I could see the smiles, bro.
Have
All
you-
from Panapil Nagar.
You know, for the longest time, so I don't know. There's this one professor, okay? So what he claims is that for people to actually go from 0 to 1, you need to sort of have a disruption in the market. And the last disruption was technology. And after this, there's been no disruption for a while, right? And I don't foresee any disruption happening. So this guy, I can't remember his name. He set out to destroy everything so that people can start from scratch again. And I get it now.
Because of this thing.
Because, yeah, people are so stupid.
She's talking about Thanos.
Thanos. So
Thanos.
Thanos.
What from Coimbatore?
What is his name? Thanos, right?
Thanos.
Thanos.
Sharon, how can you not know simple things, man?
No, Thanos, man.
No! Just
Thanos.
Thanos. That's
You mean
it.
I'm Gujju also?
What is it?
Thanos.
Thanos.
That's like saying Spider-Man and Spooderman. Like, what the fuck?
Not Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man. No.
Spider-Man.
I was thinking like it'd be crazy if we had this between like Karachi and Delhi or something.
But
Yo.
Like
Crazy,
imagine the fire.
babes
I
in
don't
Karachi
know,
would really
dude.
light up
Like, that's
Yeah,
like
Karachi
saying,
babes.
you know, I have this
Pakistan
habit
would
of
look pretty
saying I've visited places when I've read about
Baddies.
them or when I've seen videos or whatever through FaceTime. You've not really visited that place.
No, but it's not the point. Is not visiting. It's the how people end up communicating with. What will they show each other?
So
Guns.
There's a video a creator made where they like her friend is going to the one in Dublin and she's going to the one in New York, and they were so happy to see each other on the portal, and they were saying hi and screaming and like they looked really excited.
This would be cool because like
So
I mean
that is
people
so
from
sweet.
Pakistan and India can't.
Pakistani, eh?
Yeah,
See, that's so sweet. Now you're fucking flashing yourself and like showing 9/11 and all is such a
She
stupid...
flashed and showed 9/11.
No.
Two separate incidents.
My God.
That would have been insane.
Maybe the flashing caused 9/11. But
Yeah.
Yeah.
And or Cochin, Chennai or something. I don't know. It would be cool.
I feel
Chennai,
like-
they'll
I feel like, yeah,
Kochi will show
it's-
Chennai water.
I feel like Pakistan, India would be great.
Yeah, because you can't travel between like the
Yeah.
locals.
But I feel like that'll also go another
Yeah, that'll
extent.
be
Or like Lucknow or Kanpur and Paris. I feel like we need extremes.
You need
Kanpur
Bihar and Paris.
Yeah, Bihar, Paris.
Yeah.
Wait, what would Bihar show and what would Paris show?
Paris is Amit Eapen.
We are also with people.
But strange. I don't know. I feel like I don't know. I'm a very anti technology person. Yeah. See, I am slow living. I hate technology.
Yeah, fair.
So then why do you use it?
No, obviously technology that's for
A content
convenience is
creator saying-
different.
She hates technology. That's crazy.
Dude, just because I hate something doesn't mean I won't monetize it.
Oh.
I love money.
But how much money do you need for slow living?
You need a lot of money.
For slow
Yeah,
living,
you need a lot of money for slow living.
So you
Especially
need a
'cause-
lot of money for slow living and fast living. But if you're just living,
No. See, there
Then
are
money's not a
two
problem.
extremes. There are two extremes to slow living. Like, I'm not a hippie. Okay, I cannot live
oh, you want to live
Like, I
slow
want
living in
luxury
a
slow
7-star
living.
hotel.
Yeah.
like luxury slow living. Have my nice tea
Oh.
bungalow in Kunur. Chill there, sip my tea.
Flexing a bungalow now.
No, I want to have it. I'm not saying I have it. So yeah, man, I can foresee the hate I'm gonna get. If only I learned from the hate. You know, I came on this episode thinking I'm not gonna talk much,
And here we are.
and here we are.
Double parking. Slow living.
This is
Surfing.
only said hot takes.
Yeah,
Hot
she's
take
on.
after
Yeah.
hot take.
How is it a hot
You've-
take when I say
you've-
don't inconvenience others?
You've run this episode actually.
Yeah.
You're the
Gold
star.
Yeah, fame.
Yeah, it's the seat actually.
Yeah, it's a scene.
And before the episode started, she said, "I think if I'm not gonna take on that much,
Because I genuinely said I'm not gonna talk too much today because I was like not feeling 100%.
Okay, we'll end this episode with Nisu giving our audience some advice. Go for it, Nisu.
I gave a lot of advice.
No, now this is new advice.
Dude, I haven't met Tom Cruise in a while. So I don't know, man.
As a fresh 21-year-old, what do you
Yeah,
want to
what do you
talk about?
You're fresh, huh?
He's just fresh off the boat
No, like
from Sri
Halfway
Lanka to
there.
India.
Hey,
22.
bastard.
Stay away from hoes. That's all I can say. It's the
Why
best
don't you
advice.
apply that advice to yourself?
Oh.
And in your dreams.
Hey, don't call Devika a
fuck you
hoe.
calling
Not
Devika?
Devika, not Devika, not Devika.
Oh my
Not Devika.
Yo, what the fuck did you just say?
For-
Say,
I
look,
have
look
made
at
a
the
great
camera and
mistake.
say,
That's low living.
and say sorry to Devika.
Devika, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Nisu has now protected your honor.
Yeah.
He has saved your leg by holding up a building. I think this means something.
I feel like, yeah.
You
I
should
feel
sing
like-
your next song. For
I feel like you should marry him.
on that.
That's
Okay,
a-
see.
That's the one thing.
stop right
That's
there.
Actually, you know,
I just want to say one thing. Devika Ranatunga.
Nah.
It's a crazy
Oh, it has
name.
a nice ring to
Yeah, it's a
it.
nice ring to it.
yeah, I feel like.
Please don't do this.
I feel like one thing.
I mean, she doesn't have to take on your name. You can take on her name. Nisula
Nisula-
Dev.
Nisula Deepak Dev. Yo.
NDD.
I feel no. I feel
Nah.
like yeah. If there's one girl Nisu actually really likes, it's Devika.
Because she's
Cut
so
that
cute.
out, Varun. Cut that out, please.
Why? You can like a person.
Yeah, you can
She's
like a
so
person.
sweet.
Yeah.
I don't like her.
Acknowledge
I
it.
Hate her?
Dude. When I was in school and I was a kid, yeah, I liked her.
But,
That was
see,
like when I was like 11 or
This
12.
is why
man.
you're
Like, you
a
liked her
21-year-old
like that?
because you're so immature. Liking someone doesn't mean you have romantic feelings towards them.
But you like her, no?
You like her like her.
Dude, what is wrong with you guys, man? 30-year-olds fucking talking about liking a girl.
No! You made it liking.
Huh?
I like the way you're using this way of saying
I
it.
don't know who's gaslighting me now.
No, I have a doubt. If you like a girl, what's the problem?
But I don't like Devika.
Yeah,
What
but
does
you
it
like
mean
her.
What is the difference?
Yeah, I
between
like her.
and
Like I like her. Yeah, she's a good friend.
You
Yeah.
said like there.
Ah! Shut up.
Like I like her.
No, what's the difference between like and like?
Like is romantic.
Like
Yeah,
is like-
feelings, yeah.
like-
you have a
like.
crush on
And
them.
like is like, oh, I love that person.
So you
as a
like or
person.
like?
Like.
Okay. Now that Nisu
Just
has
cut all the other words in between.
now that Nisu has confessed his love
Yeah.
platonically
Yes.
and maybe romantically in the future.
No.
That's where we end this episode. Are we ending the episode? We can end the episode.
Yeah, I don't want to talk anymore.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll be back again next week because we're here every week.
Why are we clapping?
I don't know why we're.
What the fuck? Why did I suck?
Peer pressure.